Hi, I'm Paul Jolly, and today we're going to talk about why LinkedIn is specifically important for lead generation, your business, and why you should be using it right now. And today we're going to talk about how to increase your network quickly and effectively on LinkedIn, because we all know that network is net worth, and how important it is to you and your business have more connections and more exposure for you and your business. How to get connections quickly. Unfortunately, LinkedIn has a restriction that you can only connect with approximately 80 people per day. So this is a restriction which doesn't allow you to grow quickly. So we've devised a way on how to grow more effectively and more quickly by helping each other on LinkedIn. What we do is search for content which is something to do with liking this post, connecting with this post, get your network connected, connect with us, and also Lion. Search for these terms. Lion means LinkedIn Open Networker. What this basically means is if someone tries to connect with you, you accept them. So this way, you encourage people to connect with you as well as you're connecting with them. That way it can speed up the growth. So the way to do it is simply type in the search at the top, grow your network, or like this post. Go to the content part of the post, the box that certain posts have been liked a lot. For example, this one is 1,898 people have liked it, and 1,416 people have commented on it. All the people who have commented on this post are open networkers and want more connections. So you simply go down the whole list and connect with the people within your industry, connect with them, and they'll respond back with a connection. You can also add your own post, put something inspirational there, put your name, put your company detail, and in return people will connect with you. So you just go through many different posts like this and connect, and they connect with you. They're asking people connect with me. So simply click on the connect button and connect. One of the other most important things about LinkedIn is engagement. Read other people's posts within your network, within your industry. Talk about or give your opinion, and people will respond to your opinions and will connect with you. You're making a network, you're making a connection, you're finding a friend, and you're slowly building your network. And LinkedIn is a bit like a snowball of goodness, because the more network you have, the more people will follow you. The maximum connections you can have are 30,000 connections. So imagine if all your employees in your company have 30,000 connections, and every post that you post is liked by each employee. The reach of that is huge. Today's networking on LinkedIn for lead generation, creating posts and creating networks is really good for a business. Once you've got a huge network, then you talk about targeting. So I'm Paul Jolly. Thanks for watching. Comment below and give me a like. And next time I will be talking about how to target potential business customers. So these are people who you as a company and them as a company could be a good match, and you target them and you can direct message them. LinkedIn is a very strong platform at the moment, and I urge every business to use LinkedIn as a service. Thanks for watching. See you again.